Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Now, just take a look at these two objects. This is a ball, shining ball, and this is a shining mango, a shining juicy mango. These are designed inside Illustrator using this gradient mesh tool. Yes, friend. This mesh tool is really very awesome. It helps in creating objects with awesome effects. As you can see that the way it's colored, it's a simple ellipse, or you can say it's a simple circle. But the way it is colored, it seems like it's an original 3D ball, isn't it? This is an original 3D mango, right? So yeah, you can create these kind of effects using mesh tool. Let's see how we can work with this gradient mesh tool. Let's create a new document. And now let's create a circle using ellipse tool. Let's provide a fill color. Set this red. Now just select the mesh tool. Now let's come to this object. See here, just take a look. Here, when you are this is just the deselect stage, right? Now let's just try to select this object using this selection tool. You can see here that there are many divisions, right? These divisions are created using the mesh tool. Yes, friend. And how you can create these divisions? Select the mesh tool. Just click at a point inside this ball and see a point has been created, and also there's a line which is going across horizontally and vertically. Horizontally and vertically. Let's create few more divisions first, then we will see how we can work with these points. Let's click on, say this one, say this point. Let's click at this point again. Now you can notice that every time we are clicking at a point, first a point is being created and then a line is going through horizontally and vertically through that point. Now let's just click at this point on a line which is already been created. Using this gradient mesh tool, you will see that only another line is being created, but not horizontally, only vertically. Now let's just click at this point where, just notice here we don't have any horizontal line, we have only vertical line. Let's just create one and see, there you go. So first of all, let's press Ctrl Z. Now let's click at this point, click, another click, that's it. Now let's just click outside. So this is just a simple ball, right? Not a ball even, it's a circle with red field, that's it. Now select the direct selection tool and let's just click at this anchor point, nothing else. So first let's deselect it. Yeah, let me start from scratch. Let's deselect it by clicking anywhere outside this ball. Select the direct selection tool and just click at this anchor point. Now open this color picker and let's provide a white color and see, not too much white, let's make it like this. Yeah, okay. Let's select this anchor point and let's change its color. Let's make it white and see. Now it is making some sense, right? Let's just come here. Select this anchor point. Let's make it more darker. See? Let's come to this anchor point. Let's make it a bit darker. Just like this. Let's come here. Make it more darker. Yeah. See, just like this. I think not this one, not this one. Let's make it is it looking nice? Yep, I guess. Let's take a look here. Okay, shining effect here, here and here. So not here. Even you can use the color window. This is the one. Okay, yeah. Let's make it white. Yeah, there you go. So see, now you are getting the point, right? Now these are working with these anchor points. Let's just select a section, this section. Click on a division. Now just change its color, say like this, and see. But generally it's better, well, let me provide a green color, then you will understand. See, but generally it's better to work with anchor points, not with a section. Yes, friend. So let's first make its color something else, say this one. Let's click on OK. So let me undo. Okay, yeah. Now you got the concept that how we can provide this gradient mesh, right? So this is a shiny effect. Let's click here. So first of all, you need to imagine that how a 3D ball or a 3D sphere will look like. Let's change its color to something like this. Click here. Let's make it a shiny effect here. Click at this point. Let's make it darker, just like this. Yeah. Select this anchor point. Make it more darker. Select this one, more darker. Select this anchor point. Yeah, just like this. Sorry. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Now it is talking, right? Oh my god, not that much. Let's say like this. What do you think? Yeah, this is also looking nice. So now using the selection tool, let's just move it here. That's it. So how is this ball looking? Okay, now using the rectangle tool, Let's provide a background. And we will provide a radial gradient, and we will send it to back. Yeah. And of course, using the gradient slider, we are going to change the gradient color. So this one, let's make it black. Oh yeah. And this one, not that much black, but this. Oh yeah, now just take a look. How is this looking? Let's press Ctrl Z. Where is the layers panel? There you go. So this is the mesh. This is the one. So there you go. How is this ball looking? It's really nice, right? Now, I think you are excited to watch this creating this mango, right? Well, we are going to draw this mango in our project section. Yes, friend. In this section only, we are having projects at the end of this section, and there we are going to create this mango. Just try to think that how we can create this mango. Just try to think. So that's it. Here I am concluding this lecture. If you have any confusion understanding some concept, please feel free to let me know. And that's it. Here I am concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.